This is an AP Calculus AB. Maybe it would be a BC question too. Actually, I think it's from a prep book, and I think this is on the way to preparing because I don't think they actually asked this question on the calculus. This is more of a pre-calculus question, but stuff you have to know to be ready for the AP Calculus. I will do this two ways. This might be on, something like this could be on the no calculator section, and then you'd have to do it by hand. I'll do that second. It might be on the calculator section. It's not going to be on the calculus, AP Calculus test. But if it were, we're pretending, we're in the world of pretend, of make-believe, boys and girls. So then we would, if it was on the no calculator section, I could use Desmos, and that's what I'm going to do now. So I'm just going to put these values. This is the x values in parentheses, y values. So this is 0, minus 2, negative 1, 7, and 1, 4. And I'm going to put that into Desmos. I'm going to put a table. You can do this on a TI-84 as well, but I like Desmos. Negative 2, negative 1, 7, 1, 4. Now here's a little trick that the problem is playing, because if I go here and make a cubic regression, notice it's got a coefficient in front of x cubed, but this has just 1 in front of x cubed. And this shows b, the number in front of x, is 0. So even if I divide everything by negative 1.5, I'm still going to have b is equal to 0, and I'm not going to get a correct answer, or maybe I'm going to think it's going to be cannot be determined. But that's no good. So I don't want to use an automatic regression because I need to make sure that there's the coefficient in front of x cubed is 1. So I'm going to do it like this. Y sub 1, and I'm going to put I put the little tilde, the cloud, and then x sub 1 cubed, and then what is this? Plus ax squared. Oh, ax sub 1. Oh, why didn't you tell me ax sub 1? Sometimes people don't help me when I'm doing this. Ax sub 1 squared plus b x sub 1 plus c. And let's see. Now I've got a and b. So now it's done it right because I've got just a 1 in front of the x cubed. So now I do ab plus, what was it plus? 3/4. And it comes out to negative 18, which is answer C. Now, if I do this by hand, I just plug these values into the equation. So I'll try plugging in 0 for x. 0 cubed plus a times 0 squared plus b times 0, that's all 0, and then it equals negative 2, so c equals negative 2. Well, that's easy. Now I've got c already. Now I'm going to plug in negative 1, 7. Negative 1 cubed is negative 1. Plus a times negative 1 squared is plus a. Plus b times negative 1 is minus b. Plus c is minus 2, so plus minus 2. And that equals 7. And then I'll do the last one. 1 cubed is 1. Plus a times 1 squared is plus a. Plus b times 1 is plus b. Plus c plus negative 2 equals 4. And now I can simplify these two equations, combine like terms. I've got a minus b minus 3 equals 7. And for this one, I have a plus b minus 1 equals 4. Well, this one, somewhere I'm going to need more room, so I guess I'll just go to the right. This one, I'm going to add 3 to both sides. So a minus b equals 10. And this one, I'm going to add 1 to both sides. A plus b equals 5. This is supposed to be a 0. 10. All right, I'll make it. I'll fix it. I'll fix it so no one can complain. And now I will add those two equations. A plus a is 2a. Negative b plus b is 0. 10 plus 5 is 15. And then I'll divide both sides by 2. A equals 15 halves. And now I need more room. And now I will find out what b is. A plus b equals 5, so 15 halves plus b equals 5. I will subtract 15 halves from both sides. 5, if I write it as something over 2, I need a common denominator, so this is 10 halves. So 10 halves minus 15 halves equals 5 halves. So what's A times B plus what was it? A times B plus 3/4. So I have 15 halves. Oh, this is minus 5 halves. I was looking at that. Times minus 5 halves, because 5 halves minus 15 halves is negative. Wait a minute. 10 halves minus 5 was 10 over 2. So 10 halves minus 15 halves is negative 5 halves. And then I'm going to add to that, what was it? 3/4. 5 times 5 is 25. This is, I need more room. 75, negative 75 divided by 2 times 2 is 4, plus 3/4 equals negative 72 quarters, and then 4 times 1 is 4, 32, 4 times 8, and that's negative 18. So you do it by hand, and just to exercise and practice with Desmos, because Desmos can be used on AP Calculus, A, B, and BC. In the calculator section, you can also use your TI 84 or whatever you have. The answer comes out to negative 18.